With the anticipated changes in the curriculum from old to new, here is the new TOS, or Table of Specifications for the Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers or LEPT, effective March 2023 examinations. This new TOS is based on the Philippines Qualifications Framework Level 6.
This presentation will give you the enhanced table of specifications for secondary examinees taking social studies as their field of specialization.
The total number of items will still be 150 just the same.
With regards to the difficulty level of the social studies majorship exams, easy questions will have comprised the 30% of the exams or equivalent to 30 points. The largest volume, which is 50% or equivalent to 88 points of the items, will be coming from the moderate questions. And the difficult questions will consist of 32 points or equivalent to 20%. This will make a total of 150 points. In terms of the distribution of items or points in the Bloom's taxonomy, remember will be 14 points. Understand will be 16 points. Apply will be 88 points. Analyze will be 16 points. Evaluate will have 8 points and create will have 8 points also. The topics and components will be composed of 8 categories, which are the following: A. Trends and issues in social studies 10% or 15 points. B. Geography 15% or 22 points. C. Economics 10% or 15 points. D. History 10% or 15 points. E. Socio-cultural anthropology 20% or 30 points. F. Governance, laws and politics 10% or 15 points. G. Teaching approaches to social studies in elementary and secondary grades 10% or 15 points. H. Research 15% or 23 points. To further understand each component, the following are the competencies: A. Trends and issues in social studies. 1. Foundation and factors that shape contemporary trends and issues. 1.1. Examine forces that shape contemporary trends and issues. 1.2. Discuss current issues in local and global society, including sustainable development to end poverty, use alternative energy, equitable justice for all, human and LGBT rights, nuclear disarmament for peace, global pandemic, etc. B. Geography. 1. Geographical places and landscape in a changing world. 1.1. Demonstrate understanding of basic geographical concepts, processes, and patterns. 1.2. Relate the significance of geography to the diverse social, cultural, economic and political development of nations. 1.3. Illustrate the geographic character and natural resources of the various regions of the Philippines and their impact on the region's development. C. Economics. 1. Microeconomics and economic planning. 1.1. Analyze theories and models of economic growth and development. 1.2. Demonstrate understanding of the basic concepts and principles of economics, including the nature and functions of economic systems. 1.3. Apply economic concepts such as supply and demand, scarcity, diminishing marginal utility, income effect, etc. to current economic conditions. 1.4. Examine issues and problems related to development such as unemployment and poverty, global trade, underdevelopment, etc. and explore alternative solutions. 1.5. Apply economic planning principles in the formulation of development and business venture. D. History. 1. World history, ancient, medieval era, modern and contemporary. 1.1. Explain the basic concepts, theories and historical developments that lead to the emergence of societies and civilization, rise of kingdom, formation of states, etc. from prehistory up to the 8th century CE. 1.2. Show understanding of a global overview to various human experiences, patterns of development, and connections among people, societies, and nations in the modern world to contemporary periods. 2. Asian Studies. 2.1. Examine the political, economic and socio-cultural issues and problems in contemporary Asian societies as influenced by global realities. E. Socio-cultural anthropology. 1. Basic sociological and anthropological concepts and theories. 1.1. Manifest understanding of basic sociological and anthropological concepts and theories. 1.2. Trace the origin and development of human beings, societies and civilizations. 1.3. Determine the relationships between culture and biological traits. 1.4. Explain factors and conditions that influence cultural and behavioral differences of human groups and societies. 1.5. Analyze how social phenomenon relates to class, ethnicity, ideology, power and social change. 1.6. Determine elements of Filipino culture that support, inhibit nation building. F. Governance, laws and politics. 1. Comparative government and politics and law-related studies. 1.1. Discuss concepts and principles of government and advent of citizenship. 1.2. Manifest understanding of basic laws, family law, human rights, public accountability, consumer law, civil and criminal law, applied at home, in the community and workplace. 1.3. Describe political conditions of selected countries, forms of governance, political development, political culture, relations between government and citizens, and relations among social groups in a state. G. Teaching approaches to social studies in elementary and secondary grades. 1. Social studies in the K-12 curriculum. 1.1. Demonstrate basic understanding of the basic principles of teaching and learning in social studies in the K-12 curriculum. 1.2. Use the conceptual, outcomes-based, integrative, problem-based, constructivist, collaborative, and experiential teaching and learning in social studies. 1.3. Assess learning in social studies using traditional and authentic forms, tools of assessment and evaluation. 2. Technology and instruction. 2.1. Select, produce appropriate instructional materials for the teaching of social studies. 2.2. Apply technology integration for the teaching and learning process in social studies. H. Research. 1. Research in social studies. 1.1. Apply social science research models and methodology in actual research activity. 1.2. Show competence in writing research papers in social studies.
With these new set of table of specifications, I hope everyone who will be taking the licensure examinations come March 2023 will be guided accordingly. Comprehensive and holistic preparations are necessary to secure the much dreamed about LPT PIN and PRC license card as a professional teacher in the Philippines. If in case you missed the enhanced TOS or new table of specifications for general education and professional education for both elementary and secondary, please check the description of this video for the links for direction. Kindly share this information to your colleagues under the new curriculum, who are also aspiring to get their license. Please be guided accordingly.
Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving, please do click the like, subscribe and get notified buttons.